Hello everyone, this is Tina and this is Taichuan package machinery. Today I will introduce how to operate the machine into check cutting. Its working principle is
When the
that
machine's
the machine
electric eye
identified this black side.
checking the black side, the machine will cut the back. This is the electric eyes. When the light check the side, the machine will cut the back. Like this, I will put the film to the side and let it check the black side. But first one, we should adjust the electric eye to the lowest. And now you can see this line is the red. And when the film go to the side, when the black side go to the line, this electric eye not change. So we can put this punch, turn right. And now you can see the line is turned from the red to yellow. And when the black side pass the line, this electric eye will turn from yellow to red. Like this. You can see is the process like this. And now the machine can cut the back by checking cutting. And then we can operating the scan. Now let's choose the language of the English. And this one is the checking cutting. When we punch this way is the cutting of the lens. And when we punch it, this red part is the checking cutting. And but first we should change the back length. That's measuring the length of the back. We can see now the length of the back is about 95 millimeters. So when we operate the machine, we should make the number more than 95 millimeters. And this this is the back length. It's 90 millimeters is less. It should be more 20 millimeters than the choose back. And we can choose the 165 millimeters and put enter. And then let's go back English and let's try it first. Put this string punch and let's see the first page. And you can see this bag is not very beautiful. The pictures and the letters is cut by the horizontal sewing, and it looks not very beautiful because you can see this black side is up the back. Our thinking is make this black side into the end of the bag and make the bag more beautiful. So how can we operate it? Is by the scan. We can do it by the scan. It's next to this punch. This is next to this checkup. And in this one, we can change the number. We can try it into the 0.01 and try first. Let's try it first and see the back. And we can see this time back is a little more beautiful than the first one. And let's see the black side of this thumb. You can see the side is going down than the first one. This is the first bag and this is the second bag. And it goes down a little. You can see like this. Go down a little but not down the end. And the deck looks more beautiful than the first one. Yes. So this time we can change the number this part and we can change it into the double then first. And we can change it into 0.03 to try it and hit enter. And let's try it. Okay, let's look it. Okay, this time the black side is go down and next to the end. And this time the back is more beautiful than the first time and the second time. You can see it. But there is a little letters to count. So we can change it more beautiful than this count. And we can add a little numbers again. We can add to 0.04 and make the bed more beautiful than we think. This bag is the best beautiful than we think. The letter is not cut by the sewing, and the mark and the black mark is going down. Yes, this is what we want to make the bag.